welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing a new product that just launched, which is the Anastasia foundation and setting powder that just came out. So if you are interested in whether or not it's worth your money, make sure to keep watching. And for those people that just came to my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Kate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, might as well subscribe while you're here. Let's get started.
Take it out on the phone like that, like that. All in the front, all in the back, just like that, like that.
I do not have any foundation on, but I do have a primer and also a moisturizer on, as I'm gonna go out and do some photo shoot after this video. So I want to show you guys the products right here. So I got mine from Ulta. So I got the foundation. I also have a receipt with me. The foundation that I got was $38. So this one is $38. It's 30 ml, which is pretty normal for like the size of the foundation. This is how the outside packaging looks like. What caught my attention is that this one also ophthalmologist tested, so it's mean that it's safe for your eye, as you have to apply the foundation around the eye area. So that's what caught my attention, and I'm like, ooh, this is very interesting, very unique, and very different. I just like to look at those very little detail, because it's actually like show you how product is different and how much work the brand actually put into the products itself. And another thing that I found is that it's a non-comedogenic, which means that this formula foundation does not clog up your pores. You normally don't see this often in other brand of foundation that like they mentioned it. This foundation, Anastasia Norvina, definitely did put a lot of work into this, as like there's so many things that is tested for this. It's no flashback and it's very suitable for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. I have worn this already. I actually like wore them when I went to Disney, and it lasts me all day. And that day actually I went through rain and walked all day, sweating and everything, and my foundation were still on. So I already kind of tested out for you guys, so I can come and talk to you about it. So it's in a glass bottle, and it has the brand in the front. It also has the word foundation in the back, which is really cool and unique. Really like is that it's a pump bottle, so it's very convenient to use, and it's also come with the cap. The color that I got for myself is actually 315N, which is the medium skin color that's still within the natural beige undertone, and it wasn't really hard for me to pick out the color. When I went, I actually like look at the bottle, like just gaze at the bottle. Like the color was really true to what it showed on the bottle, because that's what I did. I literally look at the bottle and pick out two color and it matches. It's a luminous foundation. It's not a matte foundation. So I'm gonna show you guys on this side. As you guys can see, I break out a little bit. It's good. I like it that I break out when I do products review, because you guys can see how good of a coverage that product is. Alright, so this one, as you guys can see, is very true to my skin tone. I think it's natural color. Products itself, the formula, how I feel it, is very not super light and not heavy. So they said it's a medium coverage, which I do agree. I think it's even a medium, but it's buildable, so you can like apply more to make it thicker. I'm going to use the Luxie foundation brush 510. I do not have a flawless looking skin. I went through acne breakout, as you guys know, and I do have acne scar. It covered almost all of it without me applying any concealer. At first I was kind of like, I don't know, because I have an oily skin already, so I think like maybe it's not the right foundation for me. But as I was wearing it at Disney throughout the whole day, it was like, it didn't make my face like become too oily or like make my face like melted out or anything. I definitely think they put so much more work into this foundation compared to their stick foundation, because this one is very easy to blend, very natural, true to my skin tone, and the coverage is definitely natural. So I do not think that like if you wear this on your daily basis and people gonna be like, oh my god, you're wearing so much makeup. Definitely a breathable foundation for your skin. It's not too heavy, it feels very light. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys how much it cover on this acne, and I do have some acne scar on here too. Alright you guys, so it did give a pretty good coverage for the acne area. For those people that are experiencing some acne right now, you can definitely use this foundation, but it doesn't cover it all. I'm the type that if I have acne, it needs to, like, it's never there. So this one, it does cover some of it, but I think I still need to go in a little more with some concealer or just apply more to build up that coverage on those areas. As I mentioned to you guys that they are water resistant. I did prove it because I went to Disney and it was raining and my foundation were still on, so water resistant is proof. I noticed I have a few uneven skin tone and the foundation did cover that, so I really like it. Foundation does make your skin look healthier, as you guys can see. Like, I do not need to explain this. You guys are looking at it. It's suitable for all skin type, which I do agree because I have a very sensitive skin and I did not get any irritations on my skin or any allergy, any rash. So it does work good on sensitive skin. And you know, another thing that I really like about this foundation is because it said that it's not only parabens free, it's also mineral oil free, it's also alcohol free, and I think it's also gluten free. So it's really good that like you read the ingredients, and I think like they did really well with this foundation, like as they tested for everything so that every girl can use this foundation. Alright you guys, so I did finish the other side of my face already, so now you can see the full complexion. It's really good coverage, and I don't feel like I put too much foundation on either, because usually when I have like a full flawless face, then like I feel like my face is just so heavy, like I add 2 more pounds to my weight. Anyway, we are not done. We still have one more product that Anastasia Beverly Hills also launched. Are you guys ready? Wait, let me find it. So this is the outside box for the Anastasia setting powder. Alright, so let's talk setting powder. So what do I think? First impression, it's huge. It's huge. Like, look. I know my hand's small, but this product ain't small, you guys. Look at this. It's like, I feel like this is gonna last me 5 years. The color I got again is in banana. Oh, I think I scare my dog sometimes. So this one is $36, while the foundation I mentioned is $38. This setting powder come in 5 different shades. Translucent, banana for pale yellow skin, vanilla for more ivory, deep peach for more warm peach tone, and golden orange for golden tan. They come in a good variety of setting powder, which I think is really important. Not everyone can do the translucent one, and I think like the one that closer to your skin tone, it definitely does give you a more blendable, more natural look compared to just the translucent one. Let's look at the product's detail. It said it says vegan, gluten free still, non-comedogenic. Again, that's mean it doesn't clog up your pore, which is so important. It's good to know that it will not clog up your pores because those are what cause acne. And also dermatologist tested, it's alcohol free, which I love. I don't like any products that have perfume or alcohol in it because I have sensitive skin. If you're one of those people, you know what I mean. So I want to show you guys. So when you open it, it actually comes with like a plastic cover thing. What I like about this packaging is because I don't like the one that you've seen in Huda. And no offense, Huda's setting powder is so good. I love her products. I live for Huda products as well, and I like buy almost everything that come out. But you see, this one, it has like what do you call it, like this sheet. I get it that it's help control the amount of the setting powder that's coming out, but like sometimes I feel like I want to pack that shit on my face, and I feel like that thing is preventing me. And you know, literally this is the truth. So I got this when I was on vacation with my friend in New York, and then when I got it I was like, dude, was I supposed to cut this open? Me and my friend were like, I'm not sure, because like the setting powder is not coming out, and like I know that the thing is set to the direction, they have a direction for us, to just tap it with your brush or sponge, and then it's supposed to come out, but it's just like, it's not enough. Like I need more. So let's go back to old school style, which Anastasia did, which is just like the Laura Mercier setting powder where it has like holes there and stuff, which is like, you know, the old school style. And yeah, I personally think this is a better way, because for me, I like to pack it on and then you can like control how much you want to put on, versus this one, it's just like very hard to come out. And I thought I even have to cut this open, but no, you're not supposed to cut it open. That's just how it is. Okay, I'm just going to pack it in under my eye. Yes, girl, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, it's so soft, so smooth, like blend very easy. Alright you guys, so I did apply the setting powder to my under eye area, my T-zone, which is forehead, nose, and chin, and also some contouring. So I'm just gonna go do my eye makeup and everything off the camera, and we'll come see the final finished look of how soft, blurred my skin will be. Alright, see you in a second. Alright you guys, so my personal opinion, I think I really like it. I really like the foundation, and I really like the setting powder. As you can see right here, it works really well on my skin. And as I mentioned earlier, that I did wear it to Disney and it lasts all day. So if you're one of those people that have oily skin and worry about your makeup wear out, or worry about it's being cakey or anything like that, you don't have to worry with this foundation and this setting powder. It will set your face and blur these pores, as you can see right here. And at the beginning of the video, you saw that I have some breakouts and some acne scar. It does even out all the uneven skin tone and cover my breakout area as well, with a little help with some concealer, because again, this is a medium coverage foundation, but it's a beautiful foundation. So if you want a little bit more thicker coverage, you can definitely wear it. Overall, I really like the product, and I suggest that you guys to try it out yourself. If you already bought one for yourself, make sure to comment and tell me your experience below. I have been a fan of Anastasia brand for such a long time. Seeing them come out with this new foundation made me really happy, because the stick foundation wasn't something that worked very well on my skin. So this foundation that come out, definitely something that I would wear on daily basis, and that is another reason why I did this look today. Something very easy to do, and something that you can definitely wear to work, wear on a date night, wear outside, because I feel like this foundation is definitely an everyday wear. And if you want to see how I achieve this look right here, make sure to head over for my Instagram right here. I'll be posting a short quick tutorial on how to do this eye makeup, and mostly I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so it might be the products that you guys already have. And again, thank you so much for watching this review video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's really helpful for you guys. If you have any products that you want to request for me to review next, make sure to put them down in the comment. And that's it for today, you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell button for me so you know when I post my video. Bye! See you on next video.